What if you could design an entire UI? Start with a simple prompt, and Claude instantly generates your UI. Just describe your idea clearly. The better the prompt, the better the design. Once the design is ready, use tweaks to refine layout and styles. Add breakpoints and switch viewports for responsive design. Adjust themes and fine-tune spacing, colors, and responsiveness. Now, prompt Claude again and instantly turn your UI into a working prototype. Add comments for collaboration or feedback. Toggle dark mode and let AI adjust your entire theme automatically. Add knobs to dynamically control things like font size. Update content instantly with simple text edits. Export your design in multiple formats, or hand it off directly to Claude Code. This is the future of UI design. Follow PX Mentor for more AI-powered design workflows. Rock.